here in part 2 we're going to be fitting that window into the tiny house in that space there. That thing is not skew, the upright is skew. That's how the place was built. So that is absolutely a plumb, and it's been checked with a spirit level and everything. So Lo had the idea that he's going to use that to cut the hole. Okay, let's see how that works out. Seems to be working perfectly well. The hole for the window there behind me. Phew. Wow. Jeez. Okay. The hole is done. This was a big job, and I kept on getting sawdust and crap in my eyes because there's a strong wind coming through there. But at least it's finished now. Now it's just to fit the window, which is going to be, I hope it's going to be the easy part of the job. Okay, here's what will be the person who rents here, what will be his or her view. This will dramatically enhance security as well, because we never had a view over on this part of the property. And the window is in, and it's nice and sturdy and everything. And no, it's not skew. The cabin is skew. We had quite a debate about it because it looks like it's skew, but that thing is absolutely level. But job well done. I think it's time for something cold. Okay, and then just give you an idea, this is what the window looks like from the outside, and I'm fairly happy with the results. It fits in nicely here. We will fix all this old paint later on. It seals nicely, so there won't be any problems in terms of wind or rain going in there. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, remember to like and subscribe. Bye.